We need to add the headers and underlines that we used on the main page to some of the objects here on the Document Camera subpage. Looking at the main page, we see examples of what we need. We will do the same thing, a bit different this time. From the Smart Graphics Control browser, we will drag in the Simple Label object. We will set the width to 125 and the height to 30. Set the font size to 12. Object size and font size will be the same for all of these we create. The label text will be set to Camera Zoom. To create the line under the simple label text, we will use the image object as we did before. Drag an image object onto the subpage. Place it anywhere while we get it set up and sized properly. In the image object properties, select the style of horizontal line. We will set the width to 160 and the height to 8. Now that we have the image object sized, we can click, hold, and drag it up under the simple label we just created. Next, click on the image object and shift-click on the simple label to select them both. Find the horizontal center alignment tool icon from the above tools and click it. If the two objects are not selected, click on the line and shift-click on the text. Use the keyboard down arrow to move the pair down a bit. Next, copy-paste another of the pair. When you do, the pasted pair will now be selected. Use the keyboard arrows to move the pasted pair to the left so that they are exactly under the original pair. Now, use the down arrow to move the new pair down to the Dock Cam Lights vertical tab button. While the pair is still highlighted, copy-paste another new pair. Drag the new pair up over top of the Dock Cam Zoom vertical button tab. Copy-paste another new pair, drag that pair over above the other vertical tab button. Select only the simple label and change the label text to Presets. For the simple label above the light horizontal tab button, change the label text to Lights. For the simple label above the Focus horizontal tab button, set the label text to Focus. This time, select the focus line, simple label, and horizontal tab button, as well as the same for Lights simple label, line, and horizontal tab button. Now, click on the Alignment Horizontal Center button from the Alignment tools. We will repeat that process for all three objects for Camera Zoom. Then, repeat for the third object for presets. This will ensure each group will be aligned nicely. Make sure you select the buttons last when selecting the three objects. We have the tab buttons with labels, the header labels and underlines, and Smart Object IDs set. The last thing I want to do is turn off the background. Click inside the subpage anywhere that is not an object. Make sure the property grid is showing the Dock Camera subpage properties. Uncheck the Display Background Color box. Now we can see exactly what the Document Camera subpage will look like on the main page interface. To show this subpage on the main page under Program Control, we need to assign a visibility join to the subpage reference. We will use 21 for the visibility digital join. When the control program raises join 21 to high, this subpage will appear on the main page. We can see that the join we just assigned also appears in the subpage reference line in the project view.